how to place a pickup order instead of delivery on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to place a pickup order instead of a delivery using the Uber Eats app. It's perfect if you want to avoid delivery fees or grab your food while you are out. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, at the top, you will see different options. From there, simply tap on pickup. And now here, once you have selected that, the app will refresh and show only restaurants that offer pickup near you. So here you can browse through the list or use the search bar to find the restaurant. Everything you see here supports the pickup order. And now here, once you have selected the restaurant, inside here you see the menu. So here you can simply scroll through the options, and after that you can just add the product to your cart. And now here, once you have added it, just tap on view cart option, and after that you just need to follow the prompts to place your order. And once you're done putting your credential, at the last you will see the order summary. So here in the order summary, you simply have to tap on the pickup button, which can be seen at the top right side. And after that you can simply scroll down and schedule if you want. And once you're done scheduling, or if you don't want it, you can just tap on place order. And after that you'll get updates when your food is ready, so you can just head to the restaurant at the right time and show your order number, and after that you can just grab your meal. And that's it. That's how you can place a pickup order instead of delivery on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.